Hello everyone, today I will show you a step-by-step guide on how to download the syllabus and study learning material ESLM of any course from Uttarakhand Open University. First, what you have to do is open your browser or Chrome and search Uttarakhand Open University or UOU. The first website that will appear on your screen, click on that. A page will open, scroll down to the bottom of the page. Here you will find Student Corner. Click on Syllabus. A new page will open of Programs Offered, Syllabus and ESLM. Here are the Syllabus and ESLM of session 2025, 2017 to 24, 2018 to 19. Suppose you have applied for postgraduate programs, click on them. Here you will find the post-graduation programs, Masters of Arts in Development Studies, Master of Arts in Economics, MA Economics, Masters of Art in Education. Suppose, for example, I want to see the syllabus and ESLM of Master of Business Administration. I will click on this. In this page, you will see the program details of Master of Business Administration. Here is a code of MBA, credit, minimum duration and maximum duration. In this, you will see semester, year and all the subjects, syllabus and SLM of each semester. In first semester, there are 6 subjects and each subject has individual syllabus and SLM. In semester 2, there are 5 subjects, admission fees, exam fees total, and each subject has individual syllabus and SLM. Same goes for semester 3 and semester 4. Now how to check your syllabus and SLM? Suppose the first subject, Principle of Management and Organizational Behavior, click on Syllabus. And here is your syllabus of that subject. Now if you want to download the study material of this subject, simply click on SLM. Here is the study material of your subject, Principle of Management and Organizational Behavior, syllabus, content, introduction and the units. This is how you can see your syllabus and study material. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thank you.